Well, Sunday morning now, Easter Sunday, heading out towards the border track. Plan to go the whole way down and back up today. It should be about 150 k's exactly one way, so 300k trip. Weather's cooled off nicely, which is good. Supposed to get to a top of 23 today. Yeah, and maybe a slight chance of rain. See if that eventuates. Border track, so this first part's fairly cruisy. Down to Taplin Gate and near the shearers quarters and all that. A few roos out this morning. Had a close encounter with one of them. He just sort of ran out from the side and sort of just turned in before it was, you know, when pear-shaped. Yeah, so just crossing over the main highway now, so Yamba's just down that way. Righto, so here we are. Board track, I want to say. I'll just come down the border track from that direction. About to head up that direction. Just warmed up a little bit. Thought now's a good time to take my jumper off. Do all that. So far so good. Yeah. So there's the map of the park. Righto, over and out. Last time I was out with Joel and I rode his bike, I mentioned how good the stag pegs were. Anyway, he ended up buying me some for Christmas, so here's the first ride I'm doing with him. So far so good. I think I might have to get moved forward a little bit, but we'll see how it goes later on in the day. Because yeah, through the sandy whoops, they definitely help. If we're doing the Oyen run, we normally come down the border track from Mariba and then turn over there. Break along here, it's calmed down a little bit. He says going straight back into whoops and then a hill, but hey, I was able to go slow for a little bit and cool down. Here's another one of those real chopped out ones. Too many forward drives with bloody traction control. Digging these hills up real bad. Just lower pressures. This is the kind of stuff the stag pegs are really good for. These sort of like flatter whoops. You just lean back. Lock your legs in. Well, here we are on the border track. Done most of it now. Got 20 k's by the crow left. All going well so far. There's a few of these tumbleweeds lying across the tracks. I remember I come down here once with Nathan and there was sections that were just completely full with tumbleweeds. So it's not quite that bad. Passed a couple of solo four-wheel drives by himself, both in 70 series trippies. Luckily I caught them in nice spots and they're heading my way anyway, so yeah, trusty steed going good. Looks like there's been a fire through here recently-ish. And this last little bit of single track to get into Pinnaroo, rather than sitting on the main road out there. Rolling out of Pinnaroo, just going to go past the fruit fly inspection area, then we turn left back along the border track, do the whole thing again but backwards, and back into it we go. Wind's picked up a bit, it's actually blowing some dust over the track. Anyway, here's a good spot for a break. Well, here I am then, just pulled over in the normal stopping point on the border track. There's like a, we call it the old heli landing because I believe that yellow tape there used to be in a H pattern for an emergency helicopter landing or something like that. The wind's just picked up, blowing a bit of dust over the track. At first I thought I was catching up to someone, but no, it's just the wind. You can probably see it, might be able to see it through there with the camera, I'm unsure. But yeah, it's just blowing over the track. Yeah, there you go, down there you can might make that out. Anyway, temperature's about the same. It's warm, but it's not too bad. Livable is what I call it. Righto. Later. Few spots right now. They forecasted 90% chance of 1 to 5 mil. I don't think there'll be, you know, a lot. I reckon it's close to the 1 mil end. But yeah, just the odd couple of spots right now. Whoop. There's wire wrapped around my foot. Lucky I was able to stop in time. It didn't pull me off the bike. Why do they do it? Why do they throw it this side of the track? Jeez. Now I'm nervous going over the hills in case there's wire on the track. Hey. Alright. Over the rock holes. So I think I've decided I'm going to turn back into the main part of the border track rather than this slightly more faster section. I'm not completely knackered yet, so may as well keep going on the harder stuff. Good deviation back over to the main part of the border track. This here coming up today was completely like blown over. You couldn't see many tyre tracks at all. I was like the first one up it, so wonder if there's a few more up there now. See, it's all sort of washed itself back over again with the wind. More wire. Shit, that grabbed my foot. Oh. God damn it. Why? Why? Sorry for the language. Oh, I thought I was going to grab my foot and rip me off then. Oh, I felt a wrap around, but then it just sort of loosened. I've heard stories of it pulling people off. I don't want to be one of them. Let's drag it all the way over here. Alright. Onward. Can't believe that happened twice today. Oh. I think I'm calming down from it a bit. Well, here I am, back at this dam section. It's wind's picked up a bit. Good test for the new mic, see if it blocks out the wind noise unlike last time. It seems to be on all the levels. Not sure how many more Ks I've got until I get back to camp. I'll have a quick look. 56 by the crow. Yeah, so far so good. I've been taking a bit more leisurely coming back. It's having more breaks, getting a bit tighter, but apart from that, bike's all going good. I'm going alright. Yeah, over and out. There's been a few bikes out today. See their trucks. Wind's really picked up again. You can see the dust blowing across the track. Yeah, I don't remember seeing how windy it was supposed to be. I was really only looking at the temperature. Hopefully the camera shows it up too. Otherwise I'm talking to myself. This end's the cruisier end because definitely getting tired after doing almost 300 Ks. I thought I would have seen more people than I did, to be honest though. I only passed the 2 cars on the track and I passed one of them on the way back, same person. And I saw one lot of campers along the border track. Not that I expected to see many campers because I think that's the first time I've seen someone camping just on the edge of the border track. Well, that's just about it. Just got the last little bit into camp here now. So I will sign off. Another fun one. Hopefully next time I have some friends to come with me. Oh, bloody emus.